What's up fam, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create the design you already see in the thumbnail. The first step, what you need to do is to open your Photoshop and take the A3 template which is already in your Photoshop. If not, you can see the sizes on the video, so you can just copy it and create a new file. Then drag and drop the pictures. First of all, the first picture, you are going to take the selection tool on the left side, and then you press the mouse and select the subject, and on the top you press select subject, so Photoshop will do the job for you. If you are happy with the selection, right click and say layer via copy, so Photoshop copies the selected part of your image. Now just repeat the part for the next few pictures. So you select what you want and then you're good to go. Now select the pictures, right click and say new group. Select the pictures again and drag and drop it into the folder. Now if you press Ctrl E, you make a new layer from the layers out of the group. Then select the layer and click on mask. After that you go into the brush tools and take a brush to get the picture some nice touch with that the edges are not that hard, so it looks better in the end result. Now select the layer, go to filter and say filter gallery, and then just copy the settings you see on screen to get the same effect as you can see here. It's like a mixed grain halftone effect. It gives a nice touch to the design and a nice vibe. I really like that, so I go with that. So on the right side you can see the settings I used. Just copy them and try on yourself what looks best for you. Then I added another picture. There I can show you a cool trick. If you have a picture with a white background or black background, or in general a black-white picture, you can go in blending options and try the faders on the lower part of the screen you can see, so you can remove the background there, which is so fucking simple, and you're saving a lot of time where you manually just remove the background on your own. So just use this trick to save some time and money, and it helps me a lot. Then I added some text to get the whole design ready and get some effects on the text, add some pictures again and edit them. So I leave you here alone. You can watch the video and check some settings I use to get the whole design ready. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, then just leave a comment down below. I try to send you some help in the comment section, so feel free, and it would be nice if you like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.
JP. JP.